Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset your Yeedi M16 Infinity. If you're interested in the M16, the link to it will be in the video description. So, first things first, on the cover here, just pop the cover off and out of the way. Identify the blinking Wi-Fi button here. Also at this step, make sure your unit's powered on. So we have our solid power light right there. Flip the switch to the on position. That's going to be the solid silver gray line. And we have our Wi-Fi indicator button blinking. So we need to hold this down for a couple of seconds until we hear a voice prompt.
Reset to default settings.
Reset to default settings. Now we're going to let go and let it do its thing. So you notice that that light has just changed. It's blinking out solid. We'll give the vacuum some time here to fully factory reset. But the key is it's like 5 to 8 seconds holding down that button. Once you hear the voice prompt, then you can let go. But everything else now will just continue in its cycle to reboot, come back online, and it'll be ready for you to set up again like it's brand new coming out of the box. You'll go through that whole initial setup process. There we go. The brush just spun for a second. We got that startup chime. It's giving us our initial prompt again. So when you get to this stage, when it's ready to be set up, you're all set and ready to go.